Today, we will talk about how to start a side business. Let's have a look at the details. Many people choose to start a side business while still maintaining a full-time job. Maybe you want to generate a little extra income, or you believe you have a good idea for a product or service that's going to take a while to get up and running. Whatever your reason, starting a side business can be difficult, but you can do it if you test your idea and keep everything well separated from your day job. The first step is generating ideas. Identify your strengths. An idea is only as good as your ability to bring it to fruition. Budget your startup costs. Many side businesses don't require a lot to start, while others will demand substantial investment. When calculating your startup costs, you also need to assume your side business isn't going to turn any profits for the first few months. Assess your resources. Starting a side business can be trickier if you also need to raise money to cover startup costs. Work on a business plan so you can figure out how much you'll need to start as well as how you'll handle growth. Be realistic about your schedule. Once you start a side job, you'll have little, if any, time to devote to other activities. The second step is keeping your day job. Review your employer's policies. Before you take any concrete steps to start your side business, take a look at your employee handbook and any contracts or other documents you signed when you started your day job, to make sure there are no conflicts. Consult an attorney. If you had to sign any non-compete or similar agreements as a condition of your employment, an attorney can help you understand if your business idea conflicts in any way with your employer's interests. Consider whether to disclose your business to your employer. Build a firewall between your day job and your side business. To successfully run a side business while employed elsewhere, make sure you keep the two absolutely separate. Evaluate your goals. How you prioritize your day job depends on what you want to do with your side business. The third step is making it legit. Create a formal business structure. You have the option of organizing your side business as a corporation, a limited liability company, or a sole proprietorship. Choose a business name. Once you've decided how you want to structure your side business, choose an official name for the business. Get a tax ID number. If you're starting your side business in the US, you need to apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for your business from the IRS. Set up your business finances. All of your business transactions should be done apart from your own personal finances, which means at the very least you'll need to set up a separate bank account for your side business. Get all required licenses and permits. Hire an accountant or tax professional. Plan your marketing strategy. Think about your target customers and what makes your product or service unique. Then you can focus on how to reach those customers with your message. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.